PLAUD has sent me their note pin for my review, and I've tried it before. I've tried other PLAUD products, and they work fantastically well. It is like an AI assistant in your pocket, and what this little thing can do, combined with your phone, of course, is almost magical. It's really, really nice. Now, of course, we're going to talk about what this thing looks like, and this is it right here. It is like a little pill. It's like super, super small. It does have a magnetic back. It does come with the charger. Now, the charger, of course, is a USB-C charger right here, as you can see. Plug it in, and then all you need to do is drop the pill. Boom, the note pin fits in here, and then it starts charging. But now, we've charged it already. We know what we want to do with it. Couple other things that I want to show you that it does come with are these two little adapters. Let me put this onto the side just like that. This is really cool because the back is magnetized. Look at this. Boom. Now, all of a sudden, I turn this note pin into a clip, so I can clip it on my shirt if I wanted to, just like that, and it stays, and I mean, it stays, right? Or if I don't want to clip it, or maybe I can't clip it on a dress or shirt or whatever, I can use it like this. Check this out. Oops. Like, let me see. Just like that, right? And I'll show you a little bit more in a detailed look. All I need to do is that magnet goes inside my shirt, so under whatever garment, and then all you need to do is place it there, and it's just going to attach. So it's not clipping on any part of your clothing, which is a nice thing, nice little bonus. But then, this is not just an accessory that's going to make you look kind of like, ooh, intriguing, but it actually has a purpose. And what it does, basically will record your voice, and not just your voice, but if you activate it, and then the way I activate it is if I pressed, so I'm going to press for 2 seconds, and it's going to start recording, right? So when it starts recording, you'll feel a little taptic kind of like feedback. It'll just go bzz, bzz, like a little thing like that, and you'll feel it on your body, and it starts recording very simply, right? Now, the cool thing with this is that, yes, it could, transcribe whatever you're saying, which is what your phone would be able to do, right? But if you, and the microphone is really a good microphone that is able to determine, with the power of AI, who is speaking. So if you're in a meeting, right, and there's 2, 3, 4 different people, this will actually transcribe and separate the people and kind of make sense of it all. And because it is connected to your phone, you could literally go and go on to ChatGPT if you wanted to, or stay on the PLAUD app, because the PLAUD app is quite powerful, even the free version, by the way, as well. And speaking of PLAUD app, literally when you take it out of the box and it's charged and you turn it on for the first time, you want to pair it, it will recognize that there's a PLAUD note pin next to your phone or in the vicinity, and it will recognize it and connect to it, which is fantastic. Now, the cool thing is, and as you can see, I've got a couple of PLAUD products here, and I'm not sure you can see it. There you go. But if I look at like what it already has done, I'm going to try and see if you guys can see this. This is something I just recorded just before, and look at this. It has transcribed what I had said right here. And if you look at the bottom here, name speakers, because if you have multiple speakers, I can literally say this, whenever this lady or this man is speaking, that's John, that's Heather, that's Betty, right? And it will, for the rest of the meeting, for the rest of the transcription, it will say, John is saying this, Heather is saying that, Betty is saying this, and so on. Very, very powerful. Super intuitive to use. I find it's not something that you're going to be like, wait a minute, guys, can we stop the meeting? Let's start this. Like, you're not shoving microphones in people's faces. You're not kind of like stopping the meeting because, I got to start this recording, or I don't know if it's recording. That little red light is on. It means that it's recording and you are good to go. You don't have to worry about a thing. Just worry about your input during the meeting. And then when it's done, all you need to do again is a long press, and it will tap, give you kind of that haptic feedback. It'll buzz, and then automatically will, if that's what you want, obviously you can generate the transcript, or you can just keep it as an audio file on your app. Super powerful. This thing is fantastic. I think it should win a bunch of design awards, because as far as design goes, it is absolutely adorable, and PLAUD makes incredibly beautiful, gorgeous designs on a lot of their products, and Notepin is definitely not the exception here. It is gorgeous, It's super powerful. It is bringing the AI or power of AI into your everyday life. And honestly, once you start using it, you'll never, ever stop.